Crunchified Clean friends, interested on any of those cool cleaning tools and toys and gizmos and gadgets that you see in my videos? Well, I love them too. I have an Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I have everything organized and categorized and super easy to find. Cleaning tools, organizing tools, kitchen, bathroom, outdoor, clothes, toys, anything that I like and then some. So check out this thin brush. Isn't it amazing? You can get in between all those crevices and nooks and crannies and get your home crunchified clean. So use my link down below. I do earn commission when you buy something, so I would really appreciate it. And I hope you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos and watch them. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.